When most people hear the word forest, they imagine a place filled with trees. But what if I told you that some forests receive rain almost every single day? Some survive temperatures colder than a freezer. Some grow directly in salty ocean water, and some are dominated by only one type of tree. Why aren't all forests the same? Why do palm forests exist? Why are pine trees common in cold regions? And how can entire forests survive in seawater? In the next few minutes, you're about to discover that forests are far more mysterious than most people realize. And by the end of this video, you'll probably say, I didn't know that. Let's explore the incredible forests of our planet. Tropical rainforests. If there is one forest that seems almost alive, it's the tropical rainforest. These forests are found near the equator in places like the Amazon rainforest, the Congo Basin, and Southeast Asia. But why does it rain so much there? The answer begins with the sun, because these regions receive intense sunlight throughout the year. Huge amounts of water constantly evaporate from rivers, lakes, soil, and plants. The water rises into the atmosphere, clouds form, rain falls, and then the cycle repeats again and again, which is why some rainforests receive rain almost every day. The result is one of the richest ecosystems on Earth. In fact, scientists estimate that more than half of the world's plant and animal species live in tropical rainforests. Some trees grow taller than 60 meters. These giant trees create a canopy that blocks much of the sunlight from reaching the ground. And hidden beneath that canopy is a world filled with extraordinary life. Jaguars silently move through the shadows. Sloths spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees. Poison dart frogs display bright colors that warn predators to stay away. And colorful birds like macaws and toucans fly through the forest carrying seeds from one place to another. Rainforests are also home to many fruits people eat every day: bananas, mangoes, pineapples, coconuts, and even cacao, and the plant that gives us chocolate. And perhaps the most amazing fact of all, scientists believe millions of rainforest species may still be undiscovered. Temperate forests. Not all forests are hot and wet. Temperate forests experience 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. These forests are common in North America, Europe, China, and Japan. One of their most famous features is something millions of people travel to see every year: the changing color of leaves. But why does that happen? Leaves contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. During summer, chlorophyll helps trees absorb sunlight. But as winter approaches, trees stop producing chlorophyll. As the green color fades, hidden pigments become visible: yellow, orange, and red, creating the beautiful autumn colors people love. Eventually, the leaves fall, helping the tree conserve energy during the colder months. These forests are home to many familiar animals: deer, foxes, black bears, wild boars, and countless birds. Woodpeckers spend their days drilling into tree trunks, searching for insects. Owls quietly hunt during the night. And beneath the forest floor, thousands of fungi help recycle dead plants into nutrients. Without fungi, many forests would struggle to survive. Palm forests. Have you ever wondered why certain tropical regions seem filled almost entirely with palm trees? The answer lies in climate. Palm trees thrive in warm temperatures, high humidity, and sandy coastal soils. Many other trees struggle under these conditions, but palms are perfectly adapted. Their flexible trunks help them survive strong tropical winds, and their leaves efficiently capture sunlight. These forests provide food and shelter for many animals: monkeys, fruit bats, parrots, And perhaps the most famous palm product of all is the coconut. Mangrove forests. Now let's visit one of the strangest forests on Earth. Because these forests grow where most trees would die, in salty ocean water. Found in tropical coastal regions around the world, mangroves have evolved remarkable adaptations. Some species filter salt through their roots. Others remove salt through their leaves. Many grow unusual roots that rise above the water, helping the trees breathe even when surrounded by mud. But mangroves don't just help trees survive, they help entire ecosystems survive. Their roots create safe hiding places for baby fish, young sharks, crabs, shrimp. Above the water, birds like herons, kingfishers, and egrets search for food. Mangrove forests also protect coastlines. During storms and hurricanes, they absorb wave energy and reduce erosion. Without mangroves, many coastal regions would be far more vulnerable. Bamboo forests. Bamboo forests look like forests of trees, but surprisingly, bamboo isn't actually a tree. It's a giant grass, and one of the fastest growing plants on Earth. Bamboo spreads through underground stems called rhizomes, allowing entire forests to expand rapidly. One of the most famous animals associated with bamboo is the giant panda. A panda spends most of its day eating bamboo, which makes pandas one of the most unusual animals on Earth. Forests may all look green from above, but they are actually some of the most diverse ecosystems on Earth. From rainforests filled with jaguars and toucans, to frozen forests where wolves roam, to mangroves growing in salty water, every forest tells a different story. So tell me, which forest would you most like to explore? Comment below and let me know. And if you learned something new today, comment, "I didn't know that." And subscribe for more extraordinary truths